Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naz Fatima and I'm a lecturer and a program coordinator of Clinical Laboratory Science at National Institute of Physical Therapy and Rehabilitation Sciences. Today I'll tell you about what clinical laboratory science is. It is a small introduction by which you come to know what basically this field is. The clinical laboratory science is a healthcare profession that deals mainly with the diagnosis of disease. As we know, that diagnosis is the first crucial step towards the treatment. So all the hidden creatures and features can easily be detected here. Although there is no often personally contact with patient, but this plays a vital role in discovering the problems, which help physician to determine the best treatment for the patients. It is a complex field with multiple disciplines in it. So the righteous diagnosis opens the door for the treatment. Now, where is the place where these diagnoses occur? Where the diagnoses occur, this is the place which we called the laboratory, the clinical laboratory. The medical lab or a clinical lab is a place where these cases are solved. Here the tests are carried out which aid in diagnosis of disease. It is estimated that 70 to 80% of a physician's medical decisions on any patient are a direct result of laboratory test data. The clinical laboratory setup has multiple sections, multiple specialty areas in which we perform different diagnostic procedures like hematology, in which we deals with the blood, clinical microbiology, in which we deals with the body fluids, clinical biochemistry, in which we deals with serum and plasma, molecular pathology, in which we go up to the level of DNA and RNA, histopathology, in which we deals with the issues related with the tissues, blood banking, in which we deals with the compatibility testing, cross-matching, blood grouping, and all. These specialty areas are further divided into more sections like serology, virology, immunology, cross-examination, parasitology, cytology, immunohematology, and coagulation. Now, as we know that what clinical laboratory science is, where we are performing the test, the question is who are the laboratory personnel who are detecting these issues? The clinical laboratory science professionals are the medical lab technologists. They are highly skilled detectives who finds out what's going on inside. They use a variety of complex instruments, different procedures, analyze body fluids, blood, tissue samples for diagnostic purpose. So all they need is just your sample and then the magic begins. So they are the unseen heroes. We mostly don't see them, but they are always behind it. So this was the small introduction of clinical laboratory science. I hope you liked the video. But there is a question that how to become a medical lab technologist. If you really want to be a medical lab technologist, you have to enroll yourself in a 4-year program, a bachelor's program, by which you can get a bachelor's degree so you can be a medical lab technologist. Our institute, the National Institute of Physical Therapy and Rehabilitation Science, is providing a 4-year BS degree program called BSCLS with the affiliation of Dow University of Health Sciences. So if you want to be an unseen hero, so you have to join this field. Thank you.